Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yusuf Darmawan.
My name is Davin Abdul Salman Fanti.
My student ID 73240055.
And my student ID 73240034. And this video we will give opinion about smoking in area campus. Today we going to discuss a topic that pretty close to our campus life and often spark debate: smoking on campus. This is issue of often right. We even frequently find cigarette with something our campus park.
Absolutely, Finn. I agree. This is a really fun topic. As a student, I see it often, and honestly, sometimes I'm one of those who smokes. This can be a moment of introspection for me personally as well.
Well, that's perfect that you said that. We want to hear perspective from various sides. In your opinion, you as someone who occasionally smokes, why do you many students still choose to smoke on campus, even though we know there are prohibited or designated area?
From my experience, Finn, sometimes it's more about habit or maybe to relieve stress, the pressure of assignment exams, or just hanging out with friends. Cigarettes just seem to complete the picture, and sometimes it's just a hassle to look for a special area that might be a bit far. That's the challenge.
Okay, that hassle of finding a designated area is one of the reasons. But if we talk about that impact, what do you think is the most noticeable effect of this habit of smoking in common campus area?
The impact, the most obvious is about secondhand smoke. I often think it's a pity if there are friends who don't smoke, or even lecturer and staff who have to inhale our smoke, especially if they have a history of asthma or allergies. Then there is the cigarette butt litter, Finn. This is whole problem. It makes things dirty, and I know it's hard to decompose. So artificially, the campus becomes less pleasant to look at.
That's absolute right. I completely agree about secondhand smoke and litter. The campus environment should be a healthy, comfortable, and clean place for learning and interaction. If the air is polluted and there not trash, how can anyone be comfortable? And sometimes I also think this is academic environment. There are health value that should be helped.
Yes, Finn, I also feel there's a moral responsibility there as smokers. We should be more sensitive to the environment and those around us. I myself am becoming more aware that this habit doesn't just impact me but also others.
So, what solution do you think we can offer from the student side and also perhaps from the campus administration?
From the student side, the most important thing is self-awareness. Finn, we have to be disciplined. If you want smoke, then find the designated areas. Don't just do it anywhere, and if possible, reduce or quit altogether. That's the most ideal.
Yes, I totally agree with self-awareness and discipline. That's the foundation. Then from the campus administration side, what do you think they can do? Perhaps stricter and enforcement of rules or education.
I think stricter enforcement of rules is important. Finn, maybe they could start with verbal warnings, and if someone's stubborn, there could be sanction. But education is just important. Perhaps through campaigns, informative posters about the dangers of secondhand smoke, or even more frequent health seminars. The point is to make students more aware.
Agree. So students aren't just afraid because of sensation, but they actually understand why they shouldn't smoke carelessly, because it's for the sake of shared health. Sometimes Young people need to be directly told the real impact on them and the environment.
Exactly, and perhaps, Finn, the smoking areas should also be given attention. Make them as comfortable as possible, with adequate ashtrays so smokers also feel accommodated and have no excuse to throw butts carelessly.
The great idea, facilitating, but still within the boundaries of the rules. So, in conclusion, what your message for smoker on campus?
Message to friends who still smoke on campus: it's let's all be wiser. Think about the health of others. Think about the cleanliness of our campus. Use the designated smoking areas, or better yet, let's reduce or quit for our health and a better campus environment.
And for all of us, smoker and non-smoker alike, let's work together to maintain our campus, because a clean and healthy campus is our shared responsibility. Alright, Yusuf, thanks for you sharing your view. Thank you so much for today.
You're welcome, Finn. Glad to share, and I hope our conversation is beneficial for the listener. See you tomorrow.
See you, Yusuf.